determined with that one. It's only a small one. He'd like to swim it in with his body, but it's just too small to catch with the body. He's scooping it in there. Has he got it? No. And he knows he's turning back for it. Very, very determined. Is he coming out for the drop? It's like it's just there. I know I can get them all in at the same time. Let's see what he does now. He's checking that one out. And there's the drop. Alright, walk away, boys. There you go. And he knows there's another one out there. And there we go. Snap, snap. All good. There you go. You got them, Booshka. You got them. Well done, well done. Okay. Alright. Nice drop.